Hey guys, got a 2019 plate Ford Focus here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic emergency brake on this one. So on this one, we're going to use the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of us on the dash. From here, we're going to scroll down until we get to settings icon. Then press in the menu button. Then go down to driver assistance and press in OK. Then OK on pre-collision assist. And scroll down to active braking. So this is when the car brakes in front of you and you don't react fast enough, the car will brake for you. So if you don't want it to do that, you can untick this box by pressing OK, or have it ticked if you want it to brake for you.